Good morning. For today's lesson, we are going to look at Introduction to PowerPoint. Our main topic will be on PowerPoint and the features of PowerPoint window. So today we will look at what a PowerPoint application is and some of the elements or the features that can be seen in the PowerPoint application window. PowerPoint is an application software that is used for presentation. At times you may go to church and you may see that they have a big screen attached to their walls. Then they will project something from the computer onto that screen. With the help of this application, that is why pastors are able to project text and images onto the screens that we have in our churches. So PowerPoint is an important application that helps in presentation. Okay, so it's part of the Microsoft Office application that we normally see on computers. So this application is part of the Microsoft Office suite. It's an application software used to present data and information by using text, images, and diagrams with animations and transitional effects to an audience. Okay, and this application uses slides for presentation. When you talk of slides in PowerPoint, we are referring to the working area of the application where we normally type or insert pictures. That's what we call slide. In Microsoft Office Word, the working area is what we refer to as the document area. But in PowerPoint, the working area is referred to as slide. Okay, as we can see on our screen. The working area in any PowerPoint application is referred to as slide. Okay, now let's look at how to launch or open this program on the computer. So to open the PowerPoint application or to launch the application, what you have to do is that first you have to make sure the application is installed on the computer. When the application is not installed, you cannot open the PowerPoint application. So whenever you have a Microsoft Office suite or whenever you install Word on your computer, this program comes together with Word, Excel, and so on. So to launch this application, after installing the application on your computer, first you have to click on the Start button. Now I hope you all know where the Start button can be located, at the left corner of the taskbar. So after clicking on this, you'll be given the Start menu. Then you click on All Programs. So after clicking on All Programs, you then move to Microsoft Office. So that one will be a folder containing all the applets within the Microsoft Office suite. So after clicking on all programs and clicking on Microsoft Office, you then click on Microsoft PowerPoint. It may come with a version, let's say 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016 or 2019. So whichever version you have on the screen or within the Microsoft Office folder, then you just click on it for it to open. Now let's have a look at how this application is being opened or launched on the computer and some of the elements or the features that can be seen within this application window. Now let's look at how to launch the PowerPoint application and also look at some of the features or the elements that can be seen in the application window. So first of all, we said to launch this application, you have to click on the Start button. Then you click on All Programs or All Apps. Then after there, you click on Microsoft Office. Then for Microsoft Office, you click on MS PowerPoint. on my desktop, my own has been pinned to the taskbar. So if I want to open the application, I will just have to come to where I have the icon on the taskbar. So here I have the PowerPoint application pinned to the taskbar. So I'll just click on it for it to open. When it opens, you have to select a template. These are what we call templates. So you select one of them. So let's say I'll select the blank presentation. So this is how the application will now appear. This is how it will appear. Okay. So here we can see many features or elements within the window. We will look at each of them one at a time. So on top here, we have some icons. Okay. And this portion is called the quick tools. Okay, the quick access tools. So the tools on top here, we call them quick access tools. So that's one of the features or the elements in MS PowerPoint window. And when you come here, where we have the file, home, insert, design, transitions, animations, or we have slides to or slideshow, we have review, view, and help. This bar is what we refer to as the menu bar. So we call this bar the menu bar. Now when you come here, we have another portion over here. This side we call it the standard toolbar. At the standard toolbar we can see something like cut, copy, format printer, paste. Okay, so this is what we call the standard toolbar. Now when you come here, we have what we call the formatting toolbar. Okay, the bar here is used for formatting text that will be typed within the page or the slide. Then here we have the drawing toolbar. Okay, we have the drawing toolbar for making drawings and changing the appearance of shapes and drawings. So we have this one to be the drawing toolbar. Now when you come on top here, the bar on top is what we call the title bar, where we have the name of the application. Okay, we call that one the title bar. On the title bar we can also see the control box. Okay, we have minimize, maximize or restore, then we have close. Then here we have the working area. In PowerPoint, where we have the working area is referred to as slide. Okay, we don't call it document area. So this is what we call a slide. You can add multiple slides, as many as you want. Okay, you can add more slides. It's not only one slide, you can have more. As you can see at the left side, okay, you can see that we have more slides moving downwards. Whenever you click on new slide, okay, and we said this program is mainly designed for presentation. So the main use of this application is for presentation. Now when you come down here, we have some elements or features that we can see below. At this portion, we have what we call the zoom. Okay, to zoom in and out the slide. Then we have the page layout view. Okay, and the bar over here is what we call the status bar. So all these are the elements or the features we can see in PowerPoint application window. We made mention of the quick access tools, the title bar, the standard toolbar, the menu bar, the drawing toolbar, the status bar, the zoom, the slide, and so on. So all these are elements or features of MS PowerPoint. Okay, so these are some of the list of the elements we mentioned within the PowerPoint application window. We have the title bar, the menu bar, the standard toolbar, the quick access tools, the drawing toolbar, the formatting toolbar, the slide, the status bar, the zoom, then we have page layout view, then the vertical scroll bars. So all these are elements or features that can be seen within the PowerPoint application window. Now for your assignment today, the first question is, what is PowerPoint application? So you write the definition for PowerPoint application. Then 2, you state the main use of the PowerPoint application, the main uses of the PowerPoint application. Then 3, you give 5 features in PowerPoint application window. So you make sure you do this work on time and submit them to your website. We'll end here today and continue next week. Stay safe. Bye.